Hey guys, welcome back to Input Plus. Today is the day. Today is the MSI MPG Gungnir 110M build experience. I've decided to put my beloved trusty Xeon X5675 system into the new case. It's currently sitting in this oldish Rosewell Nautilus ATX case. Now, this case isn't bad. It's got two front fans intake, but it's mostly blowing air into the middle to bottom section. The top part doesn't have a direct airflow to the CPU. So hopefully the MSI case will correct that. I did a detailed overview of the MSI MPG Gungnir 110M case. To watch that video, click on this link above. So let's take a quick look at that case for those that haven't seen the video. MSI MPG Gungnir 110M ATX case. So I'll do the build, but before we go into that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you like this video, click on like and leave your comments. A lot of the viewers of my videos are not subscribers, and it would help the channel immensely if you take the time to do so. Please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So with the old case, just to make a few notes, with the old case, I was okay with temperatures while gaming. I was getting about 72 Celsius during gaming at full load, and hopefully I can lower that a bit with this case. This has a lot of nice features, particularly airflow. So that's something I'm looking forward to experiencing today. So like I said, without further ado, let's get building. So there you have it, guys. That's my build experience with the MSI MPG Gungnir 110M. I had a good experience. Building in it was quite spacious. Weaving the connectors through the holes, tying down, using the tie down notches. It was pretty easy considering I didn't run into any major issues at all. A lot of room to work with. Put in the back panel quite easily after, you know, tucking in all the cables that I can. All in all, a pretty good experience. I would say though that the lights are a little underwhelming, understated, not enough lighting in it. Plus the angle, you'd have to be looking at the case directly in front to be able to see the lights. I might end up replacing the lights with more dynamic lighting, like breathing RGB lights, including the one in the back. So all in all, like 4 lights. I think I have a set of ASA Hurricane 2 that I might be able to stick in this unit to make it all work. We'll see. Not sure yet, but oh, nice thing about it, the airflow. The temperature was very, very good. I was able to achieve a drop of at least 7 to 9 degrees Celsius. I did a Battlefield 5 gaming session, and I was able to get as low as 62 or max out at 63 degrees Celsius while playing, which is a big difference from 72. So all in all, very happy with this case. So highly recommend the MSI MPG Gungnir 110M. So if you like this video, please click on like, and I urge you to subscribe to Input Plus so you can see and catch more content from us and be notified of future videos. And if you'd like to leave a comment, please do so. Until the next video, guys, bye!